Hi! Tonight I'm cooking a spaghetti vongole, spaghetti with clams. It's a dish that I love. It's one of my favourite dishes in the world. It's one that's revered by a bunch of my friends, and this particular recipe was given to me by a guy who works in a restaurant called Spadin. It's near Genoa in Italy, and I've been going there for years, and for many years I begged this guy, listen, can I come into the kitchen and just watch you make it? He's like, no, but I persisted. And eventually I got in there and he was like, oh, okay, fine, come in. So this is his recipe for spaghetti alla vongole, or spaghetti with clams. So my daughter, Molly, went yesterday into Gory Harbour and with a rake, and she collected all these amazing clams. Right, so I'm going to talk you through kind of what we did with this and how we made how we're going to make a spaghetti. The key thing is getting rid of the sand. That just need time. Right, hang on a second. I'm going to put a bit of olive oil in here. Right, not a bit, a lot. Always be friendly with olive oil. I reckon. Right, turn that down a bit. Right, so so half the clams I took this morning, and I just heated them up in some hot water. That opened them all up. I didn't cook them, right? So I just kind of heated them up. That got rid of a lot of the sand out of those ones, but critically, it also gave me a stock. Right, so I took I strained it a couple of times actually through a kitchen towel, and that gave me a really nice stock to work with, actually a lot of stock. So I really reduced that in this pan. Like you can see, there's a tiny bit left, and you want that sort of quantity because, like, when I put this in, when you see me put this in a minute, I'm not trying to drown it, right? But this is really concentrated, lovely stock from the half that I did earlier. And you know, I picked those out. I threw away the shells. It's fine. I'm going to pop those into into the vongole a little bit later on. So there's a few more bits of clam there. The other clams, I did the same thing again, just because you don't want the sand in here. So I did the same thing again, but really just warmed them up, and they're not cooked at all, but they opened. And then I really rinsed them out again in the water over. Right, so we've got the olive oil going, excellent. Now, key thing here, garlic. You gotta have lots of garlic. And garlic is serious. Don't chop it, crush it. Basically, like 1 clove per person. That's what we're looking at. Something like that. So get that in there. Hang on a second. That was a little bit too hot. That's fine, because we have a solution for that. We need to put a bit of white wine in here. That's fine. And that's smelling lovely now. The garlic's become really nice and caramelized and beautiful. And our stock that we made earlier. Get that one in there. And we're not going to waste the rest of this garlic. Quite nice. And get all that lovely garlic in there. Just bit there. Okay. And we're now going to let that simmer. This creates the taste really in the pasta. Now, key thing that a lot of people get wrong. Oh, hang on, I've got to salt my water here. I've got some Jersey sea salt from my lovely friends at Jersey Sea Salt, best salt in the world. And I'm going to lightly salt my pasta water. Lightly because there's obviously quite a lot of salt already in the clams, and we don't want to go mad on the salt. So, right. So let's be aggressive. Right, so that's going quite nicely. We're looking for this sort of consistency of liquid. So quite a bit of liquid in there, but like not that much. It's not, we're not trying to make a soup here. And the reason that this liquid is so important is, and here is the really key point to get right with spaghetti vongole. We're going to cook the pasta. I've got some linguine, but spaghetti, or whatever. Well, not whatever, linguine or spaghetti. You don't want like, the like shaped pastas or fusilli or something like that. It's got to be linguine or we're going to cook that, and we're going to catch it just before it's what the Italians call al dente. So just before it's cooked. And the rest of it we're going to cook in there. And why that's good is that all of that goodness from all this lovely juices and all the rest of it, that gets caught up in the spaghetti and actually infused into the body of the spaghetti, and that's what we want. Okay? Right, so we're going to put our spaghetti in. Within this lovely goodness, we're going to get some chili flakes. What have I got here? Martin says it's chili flakes, I don't know whatever. But not too many, not too few. And we get that cracking. Right, so let's turn up the pasta and get it finished. So, right, let's try this pasta because this should be pretty much done by now. So what I'm looking for is, like, obviously not squashy, like not al dente, just before. It's not quite cooked. Right. So what I'm doing now, get my clams in here. This is the second portion of clams that I did. Get those in there, and give it a good zing around, get all that goodness and juice into the pan. Let's turn that right up, get that really hot. Now, in the same strainer, I'm going to strain my pasta, obviously, which is ready to go. Right, and remember, this last bit is absolutely critical. This is all about, this is the key to this. This is about that last cooking of the pasta being in the goodness of this sauce. So we're going to have to dig a bit here, obviously. Get really mixed up in there. Get it wonderful. You know what? I'm going to put some more olive oil in. You know what? Because I can. Right. Just get that mixed up. And now, this is now cooking on a good heat in a lovely juice that we prepared earlier, and the garlic and the loveliness and the pepperoncino and all of that. And we're just going to let that go and let that cook for a tiny second. Now, these ones were from the ones that I prepared the stock from earlier. Now, again, I didn't overcook them. I just heated them up. They opened. I popped these bits of meat out. Obviously, I'm going to add those now. But you know, don't waste that. I mean, that's a key thing. And you know what? Lovely to have that deep stock, but also lovely to have these gorgeous bits of clam involved in the whole process. Right, let's mix him up again. Keep mixing at this stage because you don't want, obviously, the pasta to be burning at the bottom. Okay. Right. Oh, probably quite close to being there, to be honest. Just test the pasta. Try myself a little vongole there. Okay. See if he's ready. That's ready. That's fantastic. Right, so take them off the heat, and boom, we're ready to serve. I mean, the only thing we're serving is if you've got one of those, brilliant, get the pasta out. If you've got one of those, excellent, get the shells out. Serve all the dishes, and then the last bits kind of pour on top. I mean, fantastic. But, you know, big deal, right? It's done. That's a spaghetti alla vongole, alla Jersey, a lockdown clam pasta, which, you know, is fantastic. Let's go. Right, okay, so here we are. Here we are. Trying this lovely spaghetti vongole. Obviously, I didn't say this, but obviously, if some of the shells don't open, this one hasn't really opened, you know, don't do that. Obviously, it's a good idea to have a little bowl here just to throw your debris into. Right, let's try it. That's how you do a spaghetti vongole. That is awesome. Good luck, guys.